As Arkansas Tech University prepares for the return of employees to campus, please allow us to share some important safety information as well as procedural changes for the 2020-21 academic year. Employee Daily Health Screening Procedures. Before you arrive to campus every day, please complete the Employee Health Screening Questionnaire. If you answer yes to any of the questions, please stay home. Call your supervisor to report your absence, and call the ATU Health and Wellness Center for further instructions and guidance. Please visit www.atu.edu/pandemic-recovery to view the screening questionnaire for your campus. Personal precautions. All employees are required to wear a mask during times on campus. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, covering all surfaces of your hand. Hand washing should be performed after you've been in a public place, after using the restroom, before eating, after coughing, sneezing, or blowing your nose, anytime hands are visibly soiled, and after touching frequently touched surfaces such as door handles and counters. Hand sanitizer for personal use will be valuable in preventing the spread of COVID-19 while on campus. ATU is increasing the amount of hand sanitizer available to employees, so please use frequently. Cleaning protocols. Disinfectant wipes and disinfectant sprays are recommended to clean surfaces throughout the day that may be contaminated. Classrooms should be disinfected between classes, and work areas should be cleaned throughout the day, especially shared resources such as phones. Increased cleaning protocols will be in place in public areas and classrooms, as well as for objects that are easily contaminated and high-touch surfaces, such as doorknobs and light switches. Detailed information about cleaning protocols can be found at www.atu.edu/facilities. Meetings. When possible, please continue to conduct meetings virtually. If meetings are conducted in person, social distancing guidelines should be followed. Signage. Finally, you will also notice new signs throughout campus buildings providing instructions and reminders. Please take note and read the important information. Follow traffic flow signs and directions to allow for social distancing measures. Your health and safety is our priority. Following these recommendations will help protect you and others so that together we can fight on.